guys, we're gonna do some Sahara Gold today. Here's the progressives. I have $200 in the machine. We'll start off with my favorite 10-cent denom. 250 and 5, I guess. Let's go. Wish me luck. Dude, this machine is loud. The music in the background is loud too. Made all that noise for $6. Okay. I swear I'm like right underneath the speakers for the music in the background. I'll go down to 150. Go down to 150. Ooh, yay. Thank you. I know. Beautiful. This is part I don't like because you can get played or you can... Oh, this one. Alright. Not too bad, I guess. Come on, fill it up. Do it? Oh. I guess. I'll do 3 back spins. I'll just go down to 200. Alright, I'm gonna go down to 5 now. So I do one $6 one as I already pushed the button. Oh, that's good. Do it. Nice. Alright, hold and spin, let's go. I'm always gonna pick the first one. Ooh, okay. Please don't be wasted. Yes, yes, and yes. Play the music. How much is this? Okay. Yes, at least it lined up. Let's go. Woo-wee. Oh, I thought I had... Nice. I thought I had 6 spins. I'm so... Whatever. Retrigger! They don't want to give me no more camels. Fill it up. Yes. Yes. Woo! What the heck? I started off with $200. Let's go. I'm gonna do 3 backup spins and cash out. Yeah. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. Just put a fresh fill in. I cashed out at $7.20. Do 2 cents now. I need the music in the background is gonna kill me. Hopefully not. having much luck on the penny denom, huh? Mm, mm, mm. One more. What a jerk. I'll just continue to do 5. Oh, actually got it. Wow. Okay. I will be back. Alright, I finally got a hold and spin. I was playing on 5, 750, and 1250 bets. Come on, anything. Yes. Thank you. This music though? Thank you. Three more times, let's go. They consider that a lot. Okay. Thank you. All right. Alright. Man, finally. Come on. Anything? Yes. Come back, miner. Thank you. Come on. Oh. Alright, thank you. I'll do 3 backup spins. One more? Yes. Thank you. Oh, that was like the Taj Mahal too. Come on, do better than the last one. I thought I made it go by. It's at 898 right now. Yes. Bam, bam, bam. Let's go. Come on. It's alright. At least it was better than the last one, but here's the progressives right now. Alright, 3 backup spins. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, please don't suck. Hold and spin, please. Hold and spin. Yes. Yes, thank you. Big numbers attract big numbers. Let's go. Thank you. Give me a minor ball. Or the major. Anything? Thank you. Alright, I'll be back. Come on, give me like 15 free games, 200s. I guess. Better than 25. Just about to say where all my camels at. Nice. Free trigger. Come on, end it with a bang. Nice. One more spin. Alright. Hold and spin, let's go. Now this is the worst one you can get. Lined it up for me. Nice. Okay. I'll go down to 700. Last spin too. Come on, do better than the last. We can see how this is going already. I'm not. We already knew that was coming. Do better than the last one. Hold and spin. Okay, I guess. $55. Slip through backup spins. Alright. I was just gonna walk away too after this at $4 left. Hey. 911. Ah, boo. I guess I get more spins. Okay. I'll do one more round.